Hi guys, welcome to Lexa YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I am your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you how to work with AWS System Manager Services. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the last session, we have to understand few points, which is what is System Manager Services and its use cases. So AWS System Manager centralizes operational data from multiple AWS services and automates tasks across your AWS resources. You can create logical group of resources such as application and different layer of an application stack or productions versus deployment environment. With the system manager, you can select resource group and view its recent API activity, resources configuration changes and related notification, operational alerts, software inventories and patch compliance status. It lets you take the action on each resource group depending on your operational needs. So in short, AWS System Manager is secure and end-to-end management solution for resources on AWS, on-premises and on other cloud. Guys, this is the AWS documentation web page. You can see that if you want to go more detail for the AWS System Manager, you can take the reference from here. And let's begin the last session and we'll see how the System Manager services is useful for the cloud admin. So what are the pre-requirements for configuring and managing SSM services? We need to configure SSM Agent on available EC2 instances. AWS System Manager Agent is Amazon software that runs on Amazon EC2 instances as devices and on-premises server and virtual PCs. The SSM Agent is used by the system manager to update and manage and configure these resources. So the agent accepts requests from the AWS Cloud System Manager services and perform them as specified. So by default, SSM Agent is available under the Amazon AMI images, but for the other AMI image we have to install it. So let's get started and we'll see how it is very useful for the cloud admin. You can see this is my AWS console and currently I am in my Mumbai region, and now you can see there is no EC2 instances available or running in this region. So currently it is 0 from instance and running. And let me install two EC2 instances, one with the Red Hat AMI and one with the Amazon AMI. Remember, in the Amazon AMI we don't require to install any SSM agent, it's already pre-installed, but for the Red Hat AMI we need to install it. So I have already written down the script where I have mentioned the step how to download and install SSM agent under the Linux AMI. At the end of this demo I will share the script in my description, you can grab it from here. So if I talk about my demo file, here's the demo file and this is the steps which I have mentioned. So I can simply copy it from here and go that, and let me install these two EC2 instances without with only go to the HTTP port, not even SSH port, and without any key pair, because I want to control these machines with SSM Manager. So normally what I'm going to do, I'm going to install two EC2 instances with one with Amazon Linux and one with Red Hat AMI image, and I am going to install a basic web server on those machines, right, with the help of SSM Manager. So first of all, click on the instance, launch the first instance. So click say Red Hat AMI or Red Hat EC2, Red Hat EC2. Scroll down, select Red Hat AMI image from here. So this is rel line. Scroll down and key pair, I'm not going to go without key pair, which is not recommended, but I want to control it from SSM, so I'll go with the without key pair. Scroll down, under the security group I disallowed the SSH traffic, allowed only HTTP traffic, and scroll down because this is the Red Hat AMI image, so we need to install the SSM agent. So for that one, go to the advanced detail, scroll down and put up the user data field here and mention your script. So this is a simple script. Under the temp folder it will download and install the RPM, install the services and make it permanent on. So click on the launch instance, it will take some time, and similarly I'll go with the second EC2 instance. Click on the launch instance, go to the Amazon EC2, scroll down, go with the Amazon Linux, scroll down, key pair, go with the don't key pair, proceed without a key pair, scroll down, disallowed from the SSH traffic, allowed only HTTP traffic, and just simple install. I'm not to create any SSH agent because under the I told you under the Amazon Linux AMI it's pre-installed, so no need to worry about that one. So view all instance. Now you can check if I select any one of the EC2 instance, under the metadata field there is no key associated with this EC2 instances. Look at that, key name is totally blank, right? So point is that we have successfully launched these two EC2 instances. Now in the next step, in order to communicate these EC2 instance, we required SSM service as in the form of IAM role. So let's create IAM role and attach with both EC2 instance. So I'm going to create a one IAM role with Amazon EC2 SSM policy, right? So click on IAM here, go to the IAM role and create the IAM role and attach this role with this EC2 instance. So go with the role section, create role, search for, go with the EC2, search for SSM policy, say SSM, type here SSM, yep, Amazon EC2 role for SSM, select that one, scroll down, next, give the name, I said demo role, create role and done. Now in the next step, what we need to do, we have to attach this role to our EC2 instances, right? So go to the EC2 instance, select one by one, under the action, security, modifying IAM role, select the demo role from here, select that one, update IAM role. Similarly, select the Amazon machine, action, security, modifying IAM role, select the demo role from here, and it will take some time, so we have to wait. Now close, refresh, and if I check one by one, see Red Hat Red Hat EC2 instance, scroll down, role is successfully attached here, right? Similarly, if I go over there, the another EC2 instance, scroll down, currently it is in initialized condition, so just wait for a couple of minutes, let it be complete first. The demo role is there, right? If I go with the IS management console under the role section, here this is the permission, whatever the permission we have selected, that is Amazon EC2 role, and if I expand, see that you will find out few options are there, right? This is very important for us. And if you talk about the trust relationship, look at the trust relationship, ec2.amazon.console role, right? So now what I need to do, let me refresh and let me check. The point is that we have successfully attached the role with EC2 instance, and under the metadata field we have verified that there is no key associated with this EC2 instance. So now move to the next step, which is how to take the SSH session of this machine without enabling the SSH port, because we didn't enable the port SSH, right? So for this one we will go with the session manager. So if you connect one of the EC2 instance, like go with the Red Hat and go to the connect, under the session manager you will see that connect option is enabled. This option is not enabled unless you will not attach the role and install the SSM agent, right? So I'll select and click on the connect option. Let's see what happened. Yep, now you can see I can connect without any key pair or SSH port using SSH manager. So if I log in with sudo su hyphen, hey, one sec, sudo su hyphen, sorry, typo error, and you can see cat etc os release. So currently this is rel 9, right? And if I'm talking about who am I am is root user, right? I can terminate the session from here also. And now similarly, if I go back the another machine, that is Amazon, let's check whether it is enabled or not. Session manager, yeah, still is taking some time, so we need to wait for a couple of minutes, let it be complete first, then we will connect it also. So guys, this is how we can connect it with the SSM manager. So just wait for a couple of minutes, then we will start. But here you can see that with the Linux machine, with the Linux box, I can easily take the SSH session without enabling the SSH or without any key pair using the session manager, right? Like this, session manager. So this is very, very important for all of us. So point is that the next point, how we can manage remote command using SSM manager on both machine. So if you want a control for this types of feature or for this kind of deployment, we will use SSM from search bar. So let it be connect first, and let it be load first. Yep, successfully load. Sudo su hyphen, sorry. Now you can see that if I go with the rpm query command httpd, currently there is no package installed, right? So let me check whether it is enabled. Yeah, I think this is enabled for the second machine also. Let me check. Amazon connect. Now it's still taking some time, so just wait, let it be complete. Okay, till let's start with the SSM. So we can search it from SSM from here, SSM System Manager. Right click, open a new tab. Now under the node management, this is the system manager. View operational data for group and resources, so you can quickly identify, act on any issue that might impact application that use those resources, right? So this is the session manager from whom you can control each and everything. Now under the node management, n number of options are there. Under the node management, if I go with the node management, you will find out one important option, that is inventory, right? So if you click on the inventory, you will find out the available instances. So currently you can see that Amazon Linux and Red Hat Linux both are available, which can be controlled using SSM Manager, System Manager Services, right? So now if I check again, I think now it should be available. Let it go with the Amazon machine, connect. Yep, it's active. Now I am able to also log in, take the session of this instance, sudo su -cat etc os release, and this is Amazon Linux, right? And now if I go with the RPM query here also, RPM query httpd no package install. So this is how we can connect with the SSM manager. I'll go back again on the SSM manager, and under the node, if I scroll down here, we find out run command. Look at that, that is very important. So if you want to run a remote command on available instance, we have to go with the run command option, right? So click on the run command and go with the run command to manage your instances. And here you have to search the command name, or go with the third page. Under the third page, we have, scroll down, we have AWS, what to say, let me search it, let me check it from here. AWS run shell script, yep, this one, AWS run shell script, Amazon Linux and Mac OS. And now we have a command parameter here. So here we can put up the command script, whatever we want to remotely execute on the available instances, right? So let me copy one basic web server script from my again notepad file and paste it here. And this script I want to deploy on all available EC2 instances whose can be controlled by the system manager. So again I'm going back, and this is the basic web server script. Let me copy and paste it here. So this is a basic script where I have mentioned under the bash, install the Apache, start the services, make it permanent on, and this is the welcome message to AWS CSA classes, right? So now scroll down and go to the target section. Under the target section, you can go with the you can choose one by one all instances like manually, or you can go with the tag option. You can go with the resources group if you have the resources group, but currently I don't have any resources group like placement group or any group, whatever you have. So I'll go with the manually, and I select both EC2 instances, right? And if you want to put up some comment, you can put up your comment here. Scroll down, and this is the last option, that is output option, enable S3 bucket. So if you want to store, write down all command output into the Amazon S3 bucket, then you can assign S3 bucket for that purpose. By default, command output in the console is truncate after 24,000 character. So you can go with the S3 bucket, but if you have a large command output, but currently I am not enable this feature because I have a small output. Similarly, I am not going to enable any CloudWatch alarm or any SSN notification. I just simply run the command, right? So finally click on the run, and let's see what happened. Yep, overall status in progress, detailed status in progress, right? And if I refresh, let's see what happened. Yep, success. So you can see that if I scroll down here, the instance ID is there, and under the instance ID, the output is here and the error is here. So here's the output. Even we can copy and download it from here. This is the output, whatever I have run that command in the form of a script, right? And if you have any error like systemctl is moved to the start command is moved to the systemctl redirecting, so you can get the error or command also from here. Similarly, if I go back, let me check and confirm that my instances is available with the RPM query HTTPD output or not. Yep, it is there. it is there. So if I try to pick up the public IP from one by one, should be available. Let me check, copy the public IP of my Red Hat and go back here, press enter. Yep, welcome to AWS CSA class, it's working. And if I go with the Amazon Linux and copy the public IP, paste it one more time in the browser, in the tab, it's working. Yeah. So guys, this is how we can use system as a services under the cloud platform, and it is very useful for the cloud admin. And finally guys, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media links, which is mentioned in the description. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.